Two tech titans are locked in a high-stakes race to become the world's most valuable company by the end of 2026, with Nvidia and Alphabet emerging as the leading contenders in an increasingly competitive artificial intelligence landscape. As of December 17, 2025, Nvidia holds the top spot with a market capitalization of approximately $4.42 trillion, while Alphabet ranks third at around $3.7 trillion, trailing Apple's $4.05 trillion. The $600 billion gap between the two AI powerhouses has sparked intense speculation about whether Google's parent company can close the distance in the coming year. Prediction markets reflect the uncertainty. On Polymarket, both companies are assigned nearly identical probabilities, 35% for Nvidia and 34% for Alphabet, of claiming the world's largest company title by December 2026. A $100 bet on Alphabet overtaking Nvidia would pay out $265 if successful. The companies have traveled different paths to reach this moment. Nvidia shares have climbed 33% year-to-date through December 17th, while Alphabet has surged 62%. Since early 2023, Alphabet stock is up roughly 250%, compared to Nvidia's staggering 1,120% return. Wall Street analysts, however, remain more cautious about Alphabet's prospects. Consensus estimates point to Nvidia shares reaching about $250 over the next year, roughly 40% upside from current levels near $177, while Alphabet faces a median 12-month target of $330, implying just 6% upside from around $306. The TPU factor. The competitive dynamic shifted dramatically in late November when reports emerged that Meta Platforms is in talks to spend billions of dollars on Alphabet's tensor processing units for its data centers starting in 2027. Google has pitched its TPUs as a cost-effective alternative to Nvidia chips, targeting 10% of Nvidia's revenue through its TPU business. Some analysts believe Alphabet's chip business could ultimately be worth nearly $900 billion. According to Bloomberg, every 500,000 TPU chips sold to third-party data centers could add about $13 billion to Alphabet's 2027 revenue. Google has already committed to delivering as many as 1 million TPUs to AI startup Anthropic. Alphabet is the only company with leadership in every layer of AI, said Mark Eong, equity portfolio manager at Homestead Advisors, pointing to Gemini, Google Cloud, the TPUs, and several other areas. On December 17th, Reuters reported that Google is working to erode Nvidia